Hello everyone, my name is Dev Vijay and I am thrilled to be applying for the role of student ambassador. Today, I want to share with you some of my experience from my time with Team Valhalla and how I plan to use that experience to build an inclusive and authentic learning environment. A while back, we had a new members join Team Valhalla. These individuals come from totally different background and they had a limited experience in cybersecurity and CTF challenges. However, we recognize the importance of inclusion, so we warmly welcome them into our community with open arms. We created a safe space for them so they learn and grow. We ensure they felt valued and supported from day one. As a team, we engage in active mentorship. We provide resources and guidance to help our new members to build their skills. We organize one-on-one sessions to answer our team members questions. We address any concern they had. Through this experience, I learned a significance of patience and empathy when assisting someone with a different level of expertise. Our team regularly organize meetups and online sessions where we decide to strategies and share resources. We solve CTF challenges together. During these sessions, we encourage open discussion, allowing everyone to contribute their ideas and insight, regardless of their experience and expertise level. As a student ambassador, I will be continue these principles of inclusivity and support. I engage with newcomers, understanding their needs and providing necessary help for them to succeed in cybersecurity. I organize events that center to the different skill levels, ensuring that everyone feels included and encouraged. Additionally, I will be work on building connection with other student organizations and CTF teams to create more stronger and more supported community together. We we can make cybersecurity accessible to more students and inspire them to explore this exciting field. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to contribute my patience and dedications to create more positive and vibrant student community. Thank you.